Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Rulin Parmosa, 24 years old, a practical nursing graduate, and I have also an experience as a caregiver. I live in Pianon, Calawit, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. I'm a Filipino. I have one sister, and my parents is a farmer. My educational background is in Zamboanga, Sibugay. I have an experience for taking care of newborn children and elderly because I was a volunteer before in a hospital. I'm getting vital signs like BP, thermometer, pulse rate, respiratory rates, and giving medicines to the patients. Check the list in and out. I have also an experience for taking care of newborns 0 to 2 years old here in the Philippines. My duty are giving meals, giving milk, giving vitamins, changing diaper, changing clothes, take him or her to bath, sing a lullaby song, clean the utensils, and my special skills is taking care of newborn, children, and elderly. I can also manage by cooking but a Filipino dish only. In a Chinese way, I can handle it but slowly and follow the standard of my employer. In the household, I have a good ability and good ideas on how to clean living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, toilet, and kitchen. Also wash and iron clothes. I am a generous person, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking. Easy to learn all the words in the environment, and I need to finish my contract once you hire me. That's all about me. Thank you.